How to recover hacked Google account without email and password. So if you want to recover your hacked Google account without the email and password, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Google or browser, anything that you're comfortable with. Go with search, and under search, you need to search for account recovery. Once you search here, you will have how to recover your Google account or your Gmail. Tap on the first option, and after that you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option which is recover your Google account or Gmail. If you forgot your password, you can go with this option, or if your account has been hacked, then you can scroll down, go with someone else is using your account, and tap on recover a hacked or hijacked Google account or Gmail. And now you need to tap on account recovery page, and it will take you to the account recovery page. Now you need to enter the email or the phone number. So just enter the email address. Even if you don't have access to the email address, just enter the email address and tap on next, and it will find the Google account associated with that email or with that phone number. Now you can use your fingerprint, face, or screen lock to recover your account if you've added your passkeys. But if you've not added your passkey, then you just need to simply go with try another way, which is on the bottom left. And you will have the other ways, which is you can enter your password, or you can get a verification code to the recovery email if you've added your recovery email, or you will also have try another way again. So I'll just simply go with try another way and tap on continue. And in my case, Google has confirmed that this device is mine. So it says that you need to check your mail after 6 hours, and you will have a sign-in link. A sign-in link will be sent to that email address in 6 hours. And after that, you'll be able to use your account. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.